Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Canon PIXMA Ink Efficient G3020 wireless all-in-one printer. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. Okay, so on the top of the box, on the top left, it says Canon Easy Refillable Ink Tank Wireless All-in-One in English, Mandarin, Thai, Indonesian and Vietnamese. A QR code to scan to see how to set up and use the printer. System requirements, more instructions, PIXMA Ink Efficient G3020, how many pages it can print, the type of ink it uses, and how to handle the printer out of the box. On the right of the box, on the top left, it says Canon PIXMA Ink Efficient G3020. In the middle, next to the handle, there's some features regarding the printer itself, and on the bottom right, you have the barcode, serial number and all that stuff. On the front of the box is a picture of the printer itself, how many pages it can print, the type of ink it uses, and more features regarding the printer itself. On the left of the box, features regarding the printer, and right there it tells you what comes in the box. The back of the box basically shows the same thing as the front of the box, just with a different picture of the printer. And on the bottom of the box, there is nothing much except the box's information. Okay, so I have a penknife right here. Let's get inside the box. Okay, as you open the box, on the left flap, it tells you how to carry the printer out of the box. While on the right flap, it shows you the accessories inside the box and again how to carry the printer out of the box. Okay, down here, we have a notice, getting started guide, and in here we have the setup CD, another notice, and safety and important information. Here we have the power cable, here we have the USB cable, if you can see it, and that's about it, I believe. Now, just pull the styrofoam out of the box. Alright, and further inside we have the magenta ink. I'm gonna put that on the table. We have the yellow ink. The cyan ink, and the black ink. And we have a cartridge, right. This is the color cartridge, and this is the black cartridge. Okay, I guess that is finally it for the accessories. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this Canon PIXMA Ink Efficient G3020. Thanks for watching and goodbye.